Hey guys, welcome to another video tutorial. Here is Rautorji, and today we will solve two problems via Git or to install any packages via Composer. So this is the main issues we are facing. First is the zip file extension to enable to download any package via Composer. So we need to enable the zip extension, and second is it was not found. So two issues we need to solve. So to solve this, we need to go in our XAMPP control panel and click to a config and open a php.ini. If you don't want to open like this, and one more way to open a php.ini, I will show you in a minute. Just find out the zip, and you have to remove this semicolon and save. So this is the first way you can find a php.ini file and to remove the semicolon from the extension zip. So this is the first problem we have solved. So another way you can find your zip file. Go to this PC, then C drive, then XAMPP, and here are PHP, and you have to find php.ini. php.ini. You can open this in any code editor of so this is a simple way. If you don't want to go here, right, you don't want to click here via php.ini, you can just simply go to file structures, file directory, and you can open directly php.ini. So this is the way you can open and enable the zip file extension. So after that, let me just run again same command cmd, and then we need to just run the composer command. I'm installing a malz. Yeah, here is a composer, copy and paste here. So this time we hope we don't get any errors. Yeah, we don't get any errors. Let me just delete all the previous packages from here. Log test files, delete, and again just paste. And this time you will see our every packages are installing successfully. So this way you can fix your problems. Why this is the zip file extension while installing any packages via Composer. So second way, if you don't have a Git, you can download Git, and here are a Git official website, and you can download for Mac, Windows, and Linux. So there are three operating systems Git are available for. I'm not downloading again, already I have. So this is a Git so Git setup, and just click next, 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 next. Oh, it's removing previous one and installing because I already have a Git 2.43. So it's again installing. If you have a problem Git was not found, this will resolve your problem. Let me just this one. So this is the main issues we have talked about, that is file extension, zip file extension while installing any packages by Composer. So this is the first issue we have solved, and second is Git was not found. So you can install a Git or Windows, you can just download this, and you have a Mac, you can download this. So Git was not found using this software, your problem has been gone. So pretty much we have shown you how to fix a Git, and file extension was not found. So we have solved all the problems. If you like, please give a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this. So thanks for watching. Bye.